How to change time zone in cTrader application using mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily change your time zone in the cTrader app. First of all, open your cTrader application on your smartphone and log in. From the home screen of cTrader, go to the top left corner and tap on the cTrader logo. Now from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings at the bottom, and under Settings, tap on Time Zone. From the bottom of the screen, select a different time zone you want to change to. Select the one that matches your region or trading session time, and then click on Done. Once selected, you can get back. The changes usually saves automatically. Your charts and timestamps should now update to the new time zone. So that's it. Quick, clean, and done. Your chart time should now match your preferred time zone, which makes trading timing and session tracking much easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.